We will check common method bias using common latent factor method. We will use CLF plugin in AMOS. This will compare unconstrained model as against constrained to zero model. Common method bias refers to a bias in the dataset due to something external to the measures. For an example, collecting data using a single or a common method such as online survey may introduce systematic response bias that will either inflate or deflate responses. A study that has significant common method bias is one in which a majority of the variance can be explained by a single factor. Here in this we have to draw latent factor and select it and save and run the plugin. And we have to refer chi-square and degrees of freedom for this model. Then we have to create the constraint to zero model. For that, remove the existing CLF and again draw the latent factor, and in this time we will name the latent factor in capitals as CLF. Then we have to run and refer chi-square and degrees of freedom. We can use Excel statistical package and chi-square difference sheet and fill the table and then refer the p-value. In this case, we can identify that the p-value is significant. When it is significant, then that is problematic. It indicates that this has shared variance. So we have to retain the CLF. Now we have to check and see where the common shared variance is. We have to run and check standard regression weights. Here in our case, variable named Joy has shared variance with low weights. We can see that in the output. So we have to remove that particular items under Joy, or we have to remove error covariance on errors on the variable of Joy, or we have to change regression weight on item to variable of Joy. If even after that issue is still there, then we have to report significant p-value and have to retain common latent factor. For that, we have to delete constraint model and run again unconstrained model without common latent factor name. And as the model is now complex, we have to check model fit. And if the model fit is okay with the common latent factor, then we can impute and finish CFA analysis with the CMB corrected model.